Hello everyone, we got this breaking news from South Africa. A gas pipeline just exploded in the city center of Johannesburg. Boom! You guys can see a lot of cars damaged, and then probably there's some people that get hurt. Everything needs maintenance. You guys need to do something. Since the white man left that country, nothing has been maintained. You see, that electricity company is now down. People can stay 10 hours without electricity. Everything needs maintenance. They're going to blame the African brothers, the foreigners, as they call them, for all the problem they are having right now. They are not the problem. You are the problem. Everything needs to be maintained. Since the white people built those gas pipeline, they never been maintained. They are there underground. Let's watch the video together. Let's watch the video. It's crazy. Yo, look this. You see this?
Someone was having a bomb here.
And they had an earthquake not long time ago in South Africa. There's another explosion.
Then bomb. There's a fear. Bada yote nayo iko tutuba. So it takes it easy.
Wow. Everyone's recording. What is happening today? It's scary, huh? This is not finished. Still exploding. You see?
This thing can fall again. It's a link. Never. This thing can sorry.
Look this. Oh my goodness. This is so sad. Wow. And I heard Johannesburg is a mining area. That's what I was told. So this can be also the cause of those explosion, earthquake. See? Also lack of maintenance. But this thing was built during apartheid, you see. Very old. It's need maintenance. It's need maintenance, definitely. Sure. You see, all those cars. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like it, share, and subscribe. Ciao.